This is Denise Williamson, the co-host of the Comedy Click radio show, the co-producer of the Uptight Senior Citizens Brigade, and the head judge of the Bring the Laughter Comedy Contest. Mariposa Retreat Services, as part of its I Heart Me retreat, is sponsoring the Bring the Laughter Comedy Contest between January 19th and the 31st. To enter the contest, simply upload a video of you telling your best clean joke. If you don't want your pastor, your rabbi, or your grandmother to hear it, don't submit it to the Mariposa Retreats Facebook page at www.facebook.com/Mariposa Retreats. Tell only one joke, and your video should be a maximum of 90 seconds long. After the 31st, all submissions will be judged by veteran comedians Timon Ship and Tamara Catton, and yours truly. The winner will be announced on Saturday, February 7th on the Comedy Click radio show and on the Mariposa Retreats website. The winner will win a guest hosting spot on the Comedy Click, a Comedy Click t-shirt, a supply of Organo Gold coffee, and other prizes. So get out your webcam or your cell phone and make that video. Good luck.